Welcome to the Pink Zebra Inventory Dashboard, a fully automated inventory and recipe management system designed for Pink Zebra consultants and small businesses. This template includes organized inventory tabs for sprinkles, oils, room sprays, body products, warmers, diffusers, and much more, all professionally designed with drop-downs, filters, automatic formulas, and inventory tracking. Simply add new item names inside the drop-down list tab and the drop-down menus throughout the workbook update automatically. Inventory status is also fully automated. Items with 0 stock are marked out of stock, quantities below 2 are marked low stock, and quantities of 2 or more are marked in stock. 4-color guide. White color fill means in stock. Light pink color fill represents low stock. Dark pink color fill shows out of stock. The dashboard automatically tracks total inventory, low stock items, out of stock items, need to order totals, and top 5 at-risk categories with beautiful pink themed charts and analytics. This template also includes a custom recipe creator tab where you can save your favorite scent blends and ingredient combinations in an easy-to-use organized layout. Some cells and tabs are protected to keep formulas and automation working properly, so please avoid editing locked areas. More copies are available for only $35. For more details or to purchase your own copy, message or visit www.tiktok.com/@almadden80. Thank you for using your custom Pink Zebra inventory system.